Good Saturday afternoon, family. This is Nettie Simply Me Journey with Family. I got a gift. One of my subscribers sent me a gift through Cash App. And I told her, Miss Donna, that I was going to buy a bird bath. It's something that I've wanted. So I got a bird bath here and I'm unboxing it. Just got it in the mail this morning. So I'm doing an unboxing of it real quick. Looks like I'm going to need my scissors. Yep, family, it's a beautiful day here in Louisiana. Last night, sometime it did some raining. It rained last night, so this morning, or early morning it rained. So we don't have, not supposed to rain more for a few days, so that's good. Okay, here, it's glass. It's a glass bird bath. Gotta be careful with it. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Y'all, look how pretty is that. It's smaller than what I expected, but look at the colors. Isn't that beautiful? Pour part B in the groove here. Oh, okay. Look at how pretty this is, family. It's small. I'm like about 12 inches width, but isn't this pretty? And it comes with the stand, or chrome stand. Let me see. I'm gonna put this here, right here. Okay, so the stand is back here. I think rose color or something. This is pretty. This is the stand. So it's a 4-prong stand. I'm guessing it goes like this here. This goes like this here. Am I right? Oh, maybe this way. Yeah, I'm not even looking at instructions. I'm just putting this thing together, looking at it. But this should lock. Okay, here's this little groove here. Like they put it up, and it just doesn't necessarily lock. But let's see this. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, it is 4. This is I ain't gonna call it the best. I picked this out. Now I picked it out. I thought it was beautiful, and it is pretty. So it's really, really pretty. Trying to screw this here on here together. I guess that's about as best it's gonna do. Oops. I probably need to read some instructions here, fam, because somebody not really. Okay, where's instructions? Because this is. Let's get the instructions out. Let's do that. All right, here we go. Here we go. I got instructions here. Thought it would take me 2 seconds to get it done. Peace, peace, peace. Okay. Of 4 and F. E and F. E and F is done correctly. E and F done correctly. Okay, step 1. Okay, so step 1 is to take this here and something with a red mark. Okay, so red mark thing here. So, y'all, this is This is my put part B in the groove here. Part B. What does part B look like? Part B with this here in the groove. I just like this here. So this is probably how it's supposed to go. And then step B, place C above B. Place C above B. Oh, wait. I think like this here. Oh, okay, so we got more than one groove here. Okay, I think I got this now. Okay, see how that looks, family? So, still look a little wonky. Okay, then I think I do this here to this here. Okay, I think I got this right. Amen. I feel like it's coming in. There it goes. Then this here just sits. Let's see if I can make this here screw in a little bit more. I don't like that this is not stationary. See that? It's not clicking in place to be stationary. I don't like that. So I can hold this here. Damn, this is not. I mean, look like it's done right here. It's beautiful. But I guess I'm gonna have to turn around and take my time and really look at it and make sure I have everything in place. See, it says groove here. This here, so it's real pretty. I like the color, this copper looking color. So this part is stationed. This part here is stable. It's not moving. I just don't like the way the bottom is right here because it's not stationary. And you know, I don't see any other way that it should go. Maybe it should. Let me try something else. Let me try something else here. It's just this here. Okay, let's take this out. Let's see if it should go like that. Nope. It's got to go this way. So that this can, let me see. So I feel like, I mean, it's not, it's not stationary. So putting this on here, it's not stationary. I like the Birdbath, I like the color, but to me, oh Jesus, ooh, yeah, I'm sitting on top of this on my furniture, my sofa. Goodness, I didn't poke a hole in it. So, also go like this here. I love it. This is beautiful. I love the color. Okay, it's going in better now. It's going in better. It's tightening up a little bit better. Yeah. There you go. See. So this is good and tight here. This is good. So it's done. And I just, when I get ready to put it in the ground, I just have to be careful. But this is the Birdbath, the gift that I received a gift through Cash App, and I wanted the Birdbath that was in my gift list, and I love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I was at Ross in Lake Charles the other day, and I seen bigger Birdbath that was about 20 bucks, 18. way bigger than this. So if I go back down in that area anytime soon, I'll get it. Okay, family, this is Ned's Simple Me Journey. This is another gift that this purchase. I purchased this because I wanted it. Something that I really want to have out here around my birds, so they can, you know, keep their bodies clean. You know, birds it stinks too. So, but it's gorgeous. Look how pretty it is. Look at that. So thank you, Donna. Appreciate it. This is what I wanted. And I like to buy things. If someone cash out me or whatever, gift cards, I want to buy something I can have out here that is concrete, that I'll have for a long time. Remember the gift and the thoughtfulness of my subscribers. Really appreciate it. And y'all know all of my gifts that I got for my my housewarming. I'm using everything. Everything has been used. All right, family. This is Simple Me Journey. Don't want to hold you long. Just want y'all to see my beautiful bird bath that I got in mail today. Wanted to do an unboxing so y'all can get to see how gorgeous it is. Yes, this is going in your yard. Bye, family. This is Ned's Simple Me Journey. If you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can receive notifications when there's a live video. All right, fam. Thank you. Bye.